Hello, Team Buhos. Hello, Team Dunk. Hello. Okay, so parang ngayon, I can hear there's more Team Dunk. But let's see later on how people are enjoying our two new product offerings. So again, welcome to Uptown Bonifacio, and we're all thrilled to have you here today for our latest product launch. But today, we're not just introducing a new menu item. We are celebrating a flavor revolution. So it's a double dose of deliciousness that we know you're all going to love. So as you would already know, sabi ni Mika kanina, she won't introduce it yet, but based on her event setup, medyo obvious naman, no? What we're going to launch today. So I'm happy to share that what we are introducing was all inspired by you, our customers. So back in 2023, I saw a lot of you raise your hands when we launched our cheese dunk, right? So that concept was all inspired by you because of your love for sausawan. So a lot of Filipinos really enjoy their food with sausawan because it really elevates the flavor of your meal, right? So, sino dito ang mahilig sa sausawan? Me? Yes, yes. Oh, let's see. What is your... Sorry, who raised their hand here? Could you share with me what your favorite sausawan is and what meal you pair it with?
Syempre toyo mansi kasabay ng chicken.
That's very, very yummy. Okay, who else? Maybe from this side, can you share? Yes. Very enthusiastic. Raising your hand over here. Go ahead.
To be honest po, cheese po talaga.
Yes,
Cheese po. Pero actually, favorite ko rin po yung chili con carne. So, dalawa na.
Okay, we have a perfect customer over here. Okay, so ako rin, mahilig yan ako sa cheese. Talagang sinisimot ko siya. So, team dunk ako. Talagang all the way dunk and then simot. Sometimes with my finger finally like it. I don't know how you would enjoy it, but that is what is perfect with this product. You know, it really allows you to experiment, be playful, nothing's right, nothing's wrong. However you want to eat your food, that's fine with us. You know, McDonald's is a fun brand and we want you to have fun. So, what are we pushing for this product? Syempre, there is always a recommended product to enjoy with our double dunk, right? So, for us, we feel like, you know, the cheeseburger is a perfect product to dunk in. Okay, so cheeseburger is one of our top selling products at McDonald's, and it is the perfect canvas for you to play around with. So, yung flavor niya just right, but then if you pair it with something else, talagang lumalabas yung sarap. So, noong 2023, we had the cheeseburger dipped into the cheese, but just when you thought, you know, we couldn't make it better, tada! 2025 comes and we introduce our chili con carne dunk. So, later on, you'll get to experience this and you'll be able to understand what I'm talking about. So, it's designed to perfectly complement our beloved cheeseburger, and later on, Carl will be talking more about it. So today, just sit back, relax, and dive into a new flavor experience with our double dunk. Enjoy it and share it on February 28. So, meron ng mga chismis dyan na lumalabas na alam na nila ang new flavor ng dunk, but then let's keep the what do you call that, the mystery. Let's keep the mystery a little bit more, and only release our content on February 28th, which is the official launch of our double dunk. So today you'll have exclusive access. Alam na ng iba kung ano yon, pero kayo exclusive access and you'll get to taste it, right? So again, thank you for taking time off today for joining us. We're incredibly excited to give you that exclusive access to the latest product offering of McDonald's. Enjoy the double dunk and celebrate the deliciousness together. Now let's get ready to dunk into flavors. So thank you again, and I'll turn you over to Mika.
Thank you.